Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. If you are not yet subscribed, for more delicious and interesting recipes like this, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell that anytime I upload a new video that you will be the first to be notified. Please don't forget to like this video. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Thank you very much. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this very delicious Nigerian chinchin. This chinchin is so delicious. It's not that chinchin that you will eat and it will give you headache because it's so strong, it's so hard. This one is so crunchy and it's also very soft. So sit back, relax, let's start cooking. So I'm going to start by measuring the flour. The reason why I'm showing you this is just to show you how to measure flour accurately, because if you don't measure your flour very well, you are not going to get the perfect result. And the full list will be in the description box below. And I will also be using some water, nutmeg, salt, butter, baking powder, vanilla, evaporated milk, 2 eggs, and sugar. Then I'll be adding the baking powder into the flour, salt, nutmeg, and sugar. Then I will give it a stir. Then I will add the butter and I will mix till it looks like breadcrumbs. After that, I'll be adding the eggs. Then I will start adding the evaporated milk bit by bit. Then I will add the vanilla essence and also some little water. Then I will knead until it forms a dough. And then I will allow it to rest for 5 minutes. And while the dough is resting, I'm going to be heating up some oil. Then I'm going to sprinkle some flour on my work surface. And I will transfer the dough into it. And I will knead until the dough comes out very smooth. Just like so. So I'm going to be sharing it into 3 parts before I roll it out. Then I will sprinkle some flour on my chopping board The reason why I'm using my chopping board is just to make it easy when I want to transfer it into the hot oil. Then I will transfer a dough onto it, then I will roll it out. Then with a pizza cutter, I'm going to be cutting out the chin-chin. But if you don't have pizza cutter, you can also use your knife. So let me give you some tips. When you add too little baking powder to your flour, your chin-chin will be too hard, very hard. And when you also add too many baking powder to your chin-chin will come out too soft. You know, when you pour your chin-chin in your hot oil, it will start foaming. So to avoid that, make sure you check the description box below for the accurate measurement. So I'm going to be testing if the oil is hot enough. If the chin-chin float back to the top, so you know the oil is hot. So I'm going to start frying now. Then I will allow it to fry until golden brown. Just like so. And I will transfer it into a tray lined with paper towel. Then I will repeat this process for the rest. And after frying all of them, I'm going to allow it to cool down completely before bottling all of them. So you make sure you put them in a airtight container so air will not penetrate into it. Then it can last weeks. And bring it out whenever you want to snack and have it with any drink of your choice. It is so delicious, so crunchy and very soft. Thank you so much, guys, for spending your time with me today. Thank you so much. Please, once again, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell that anytime I upload a new video, that you will be the first to be notified. Please like this video, leave your comment in the comment section below, share to your family and loved ones. Thank you so much. God bless you all and see you in my next video. Bye.